Hi, and welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm going to be showing you another option that you can do with your ponytail sleeve. But before we hop into it, I just want to say thank you so much to everybody that has purchased one so far, who has reshared the videos and just commented and shared, and all the support and love that you guys have given me on this product. I really truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So I'm going to show you guys another option that you can do with the ponytail sleeve. That's super quick, super easy. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned, but make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Let's hop into it.
So to get started, I just put my hair up into a high ponytail and braided the ponytail part of it. And next I'm going to take a wrap-it strip and I'm just going to wrap it around my braid really tightly. And this just makes it easy for the ponytail sleeve to just glide onto your braided ponytail. Now this step is optional as long as you have a really tight braid, or you can use the rubber band method to tighten it. Any of those options work. And then I'm just going to use a rubber band just to tie off my wrap-it strip. And you can use them all the way up your wrap-it strip or just one at the bottom. Totally up to you how much security you want. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ponytail that I've constructed using the ponytail sleeve, and I'm going to make sure that the drawstring is properly in place by pushing it into the ponytail sleeve and out through the drawstring slot before I attach it to my hair. And then I'm just going to glide it onto my braided ponytail. And once I have it in place, I'm going to secure it by tightening the drawstring. And I'm going to give you guys a close-up of this process. It's best that the drawstring be underneath your ponytail, and what I like to do is put it in place and then tighten it, and then I'm going to feed it back through that drawstring slot just so that the drawstrings are out of the way and they're tucked away nice and neatly and not interfering with the hairstyle. And that's how it should look once it's done. You can't even see it. It's completely disguised. And so here's another shot of that just in case you missed it. And this is why it's very important not to sew or glue your hair across the drawstring slot, because you won't be able to tuck your drawstring and cord lock back into it and disguise it nice and discreetly. Next, I'm going to take that additional hair that I left attached to the ponytail sleeve, and I'm just going to wrap it around the base of my ponytail, and then I'm going to secure it with a hairpin. And to give this a nice clean polished look, I'm going to take some hair from underneath the ponytail and I'm going to wrap that around the base of my ponytail. And actually on this style, I wanted it to be a higher wrap, so I took a second piece and went around and wrapped it so it was going up and higher on the ponytail. And I just secured that with some Got To Be spray. You can also use bedhead holding spray as well. And then I took a wrap-it strip and just wrapped around it so it could dry the hairspray. And I left that on for about 5 to 7 minutes. And now, as you can see, I take it down and it's nice and secure. And this is the final look.
All right, let me know what you guys think of this tutorial. I just absolutely love the ponytail sleeve. It's so versatile and easy to use. You can have a ponytail constructed in 15 minutes or less, and you can install it in 5 or less. So it's just something that is amazing. Like I said again, not because I designed it, but just because of the functionality of it and how convenient it is and how much money and time it saves you. I am absolutely amazed by it. Even if it wasn't something I designed, I still would be amazed by it. But anyway, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this video and this tutorial and this hairstyle. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.